Okay, remember like 2 years ago I made a video called, it was something like HVAC Heaven, tons of air conditioners at a commercial property or something, and it said part 1. And I filmed a lot of units. I filmed all of these here, plus some others like a Nordyne that's fan wasn't working properly and all that. That was like 2 years ago. And that was part 1, because I was meaning to film it again and go back, but I did, but I never uploaded it, and that was like another really long time ago. And now I'm not going to upload that one, so now I'm just going to film the whole thing and upload it as one video. So you're going to see what was already in the part 1, but then you're going to see the rest of the complex. So let's start with these right here. If I remember these. That one replaced a Bryant that I have a video of. Here's this little Carrier 38 CKC, which I've never seen this one running. It's got a Bristol. Has a low ambient kit too. Not been running. 1998 2-ton. I got this one starting up. I have a video of that. I have a video of several of these back here starting up. 2018 3-ton. And then this one recently got replaced, 2020. I don't feel like crouching down and looking at the tonnage. It's probably a 3-ton too. So yeah. Here's those. Then I looked at Street View, and there used to be a central unit right here, but it got torn out. See, there's a line set right there. And then there's a Carrier P-TAC unit, an older one. Yeah, not sure why they removed that one. Here's 2 Rheems, stamped octagon Rheems. I have a video of this one running. It has a really funny sounding compressor. 1999 5-ton. I'm gonna go through these a little quickly because you've already seen this back here. Not been running today. Today's a Saturday, so not much is gonna be running. It's about 80 degrees out. Rheem Classic. 2003. Oh, this one's actually newer. 5-ton. Then I have a video of one of these starting up, one of these 3. Rheem Classics. This one has a tiny little Rheem logo. Can't find it. Oh, here it is. 2003 3-ton. It was that one, I believe, that I got starting up. I also got this one starting up, but I didn't upload that one. Some of these I'm not going to say the date, I'm just going to show it. I think it was that one that I got starting up. As I said, I have a video of several of these starting up back here in this row. It has the flag logo. Take a picture of that. And there's that one. This new phone focuses much better, so I can just show the data for a split second. It should focus on it. Oh no, it was this group of 3 that I got. So it was that one and that one that I got starting up, not those. So yeah, it was that one that I got starting up, that's right. 2002 2.5-ton. 2003 2.5-ton. This one looks like it's been running. Yeah, this one's been running. I got that one starting up once. 2003 2.5-ton. Okay. There's a Bryant right here that I tried to get starting up once, but it started up before. But it started up after the camera died. I don't know what that is. It's not a Copeland Spill. 2011 4-ton. Here's an old Rheem Classic X. This complex is full of vintage Rheems. It was built in the late 80s and early 90s. Oh, crap. Old Copeland from 92. It's been running. Here's this carrier that I got starting up. I have a start video of that. You may remember that. That was more recent. It's got an old Millennium scroll, I think. It's been running. 1993 4-ton. You may remember this unit. Here's an old Rude that has a recip. I just got it running. I just took a short clip of it running, but it turned off. Try to find the data. There we go. What's it from? It's from 93. So this is one of the original ones. It's a Rude. Nice. I'm a little more nervous here because there's windows. I'm hoping these places aren't open. Here's a Carrier Comfort. Don't remember what it replaced. I think it was another one of those Rudes. Look, data sheet's already faded. It wasn't like that last time I saw it. And then a Train. Older Train XB. I like the grill. That's actually got an LG. That's sad. And then, oh, these are new. I don't remember seeing these trains. I'll have to... Oh, no, it was the two Rheem Classic X's that I got one starting up of. I got a startup of that one. That one got a lot of views. Yeah, those two Rheems got replaced. Both of them. I got a startup of the old Rheem that was right there. Alliance. Wonder when this happened. Let's see how old these are. 2022. 3.5 ton. Yep, they're 3.5 tons, just like the old Rheems. This one's the same. Yeah, the two Rheems, two Rheem Classic X's got replaced with Train XRs. Decent units though. New 2022 trains. It's a shame that those Rheems got replaced though. The one that I got a startup of had a pretty nice sounding startup. Here are... Oh! Those down there got replaced too. Oh, and... Oh my gosh, there's so many no units. Dang. Oh, I think one that I wanted to get running got replaced. Here's these two Lennoxes. I got both of these starting up. You may remember that too. Yeah, these have been running. Yeah, there's those. Yeah. Oh yeah. Shoot. All of these got replaced. There used to be a bunch of old Rheem Classic X's there. One had a really awesome sounding compressor. I got it running once, but I wanted to get a better video. Guess now I can't. Here's an American Standard. Looks like the fan got fixed on this one. It was spinning really slow last time I saw it. Very quiet unit. And then this 2010 Lennox. It's been running. Oh geez, that's a big wasp. Yep. Okay. These two, oh, they're like remodeling this place. Okay. These two Rheem Classic X's here got replaced. One was all smashed up, it was that one. Yeah, they've totally redone this. They replaced both of those. They also replaced the ones down there. Oh, that sucks. Alright. This actually, I used to go to something here a long time ago. Yeah. 2022. 4-ton. It's not been running. And this one's smaller. Yep, several of the old Rheems got replaced. 2022. Yeah, so two... Oh, they're actually Rudes. Oh well. So yeah, that set of Rheem Classics got replaced also. And down here, oh good, that one is still there. I think that was the one that sounded really nice. But these 4 at this building got replaced. More new roods here. Copeland Scrolls, 2022, 3.5 ton. This one is humongous. 2022 5 ton. Oh crap. I'm so paranoid. So yeah, 4 brand new 2022 roods at this building here. Here's a unit like what all those were. This old Rheem Classic. This is actually an IX that has an old metal tag compressor, either a Tecumseh or a Copeland. I think that is a Copeland. Could be wrong though. Not been running. 1990, 4 ton. So yeah, I think at least 6 of those old Rheem Classic X's got replaced. This old Root Achiever 10 is still here. Copeland recep. Logo's gotten all pretty faded. I think it's from 1990. Yeah. Wait, no, 1992. And then this Goodman. Not been running. Okay, so that's it for this strip back here. Now I'm going to film some more of the complex. I might not be able to do it all today, but I'm going to film it all and upload it as one video. So I'm going to have that old video as part 1, and then there's going to be this, which is the whole complex, including what I already filmed in part 1, because it's been a long time and stuff has gotten replaced. So yep, several brand new units. Alright, on to the next row of buildings. I'm going to get out of this grass. They're trying to grow new grass here. Alright. I don't know if I've done these before. Lennox and some Rheems. Lennox Merit. Then another old Rheem Classic X. Copeland recip. Yeah, 292. And then one of these. This one's got the flag logo. Oh, this one's... It's got one of the blank data sheets. That's weird. No data. So yeah, there's those. And then there's one more over here at this building, which is running. That one's running. So, yeah, that's it. That's just at this one building here. I don't think I've ever done this building. I may have done that one that was just running, but I don't think I've ever done these. So yeah, there was those. Okay, I've actually filmed these units a couple times, but I've never uploaded the video. So these are actually heat pumps. American Standard Platinum Series heat pumps. I've gotten that far when running in heat mode before. I never uploaded them though, so this is more of this complex. American Standard Platinum heat pumps. This has 2 compressors. 2012 3 ton. And then there's a little Carrier Comfort straight cool in the middle of these. Old sprinkler, Rainbird. Another Platinum. This one has one compressor. 2013, 37,000 BTU, 3 ton. And this little Carrier right in the middle. 2014, 2 ton. Very dirty. Kind of still new looking because it's been protected by these big units. There's the reversing valve on one of them. This one I think has been running. 2 compressors. American Standard Platinum. These are actually pretty cool units. But yeah, you're just now seeing these because I've never uploaded the other videos I've taken of them. This one I've seen running in heat mode a couple of times. I saw it frozen once. 2012, 4-ton. Oh, here's the data on that one. 2012, 3-ton. So there's these 5 units, 4 American Standard Platinum heat pumps, and 1 Carrier Comfort straight cool. Alright. Alright, here's another large area of the complex. There's a lot of buildings here, but this has got some old roods and stuff. Here's a really short and fat rood. Oops. Very rusty blades. Not been running. 1990. Very faded. Bet it has a recip. I'll go down here and then make my way back there. Another rude, old 90s, 1991 3-ton. Not been running. I did these in my unit that was going to be the part 2, but I never uploaded it, so you're just now seeing them now. At least I don't think I filmed these in the part 1 video. Another big fat rude. Not been running. 1990. This one is, what ton is this? That one's a 4-ton. That Lennox is running. There's one of those round ICPs. Fan blades are very rusty on this. Yeah. I need to go to this complex more often. There's some pretty good stuff here. Then some Lennoxes. These have replaced those roods probably. 2016 3-ton. I think it's been running. Another Lennox Merit. 2014 4-ton. I think this whole building is vacant here. Another Lennox. 2014 2.5-ton. Oh, jeez, that scared the heck out of me. Another Lennox. 2021, so this probably wasn't here last time. That's been running. And this Lennox is running. (2015). It didn't like that. When I put my hand on it, it went brrr. Ooh, this has been running. Look how sweaty this is. Nice. 1992. 2.5-ton. One of those old round Arco-Ears. Copeland recip. Nice. That's original. Very old logo. And 2 more Lennoxes. Oh, jeez. 2016. Another one. This one looks new. 2016. So yeah. Don't have time to wait for startups today, but that old unit's been running there. So yeah. So there was this. So yeah, there was those. I just filmed that. That's where that strip that I began with was. So now here's 2 more buildings here. It's another little alley with units. Okay. Ooh, this one's much longer. Alright, I'm gonna be quick with these. Most of these are just Merits anyway. I'll go down here and make my way back up. I won't show these Lennoxes for too long. They're nothing really that special. Noisy one up there. I hear voices. This one's running. Here's a Nordine. It's a Tappan. Why do I hear voices? What is that? No data. This has been painted. Here's one of these old Weather Kings. May have to come back here at some point. I hear people. Okay, here's one of these. That's got a Bristol recip. I gotta get this running. 2005. This is probably gonna sound nice. One of my friends would like these. Okay. Yeah, you know what? I remember I left off at this one. I'm gonna come back another time because I hear voices up there. I don't want to find out what they're coming from. Okay, so I'm back right here. This is actually the same day. So I'm too paranoid. I was literally just hearing the drive-through of a restaurant. So I'm gonna keep filming here. So I believe, yeah, I just left off at that Weather King. So I'm gonna keep going here. Here's this one. Another Weather King, 2007. Got a friend who would like these. There is some running down there, so I'll get those. Another Lennox. There's something buzzing there. I'm gonna see what that is. It's one of these. Yeah, one of these Rheems is really angry. Yeah, okay. I'll come back to these in a minute here. I'm gonna just keep going down here. This is a nice little HVAC cabin back here. Not little, it's big. Okay, here's some more Lennoxes. Very faded data sheet on that. Can't believe I got scared out of here by a freaking restaurant drive-through voice. Oh, that's been running. Okay. More Lennoxes. I can hear the one. I think I got a friend who will like those. Ooh, one of those. That one just started up. Nice. Ooh. Okay. That one. That one sounds nice. Okay, here's one of these. This one was actually just running. It just shut off. 2005. What is that? 2.5 ton. It's got 2 blades. Is it a Root or Weather King? What is it? It's a Weather King. Another Lennox Merit here. Oh boy. Don't want to get caught there. Okay, I'm just gonna film this quickly. Here's this. It's got a Bristol. Alright. Okay, we'll continue here. Lennox running, very quiet. Yeah, nice sounding Bristol recip on that Weather King. Okay, now I'll go back and do this side. Lennox's. Sorry if I'm hurrying. The data sheet's not even there. There we go. Sorry if I'm being quick. This one's running. These two Ooh, I'm sweating. Lennox Merits. There's so many of these Lennoxes, I'm not going to show them in detail. I'm just going to just quickly show them. This one's running. Bet a lot of these have replaced those Rheems. Maybe some of those old ground units. Here's an old Rheem, 1996, 3-ton. It's a Rude. Another Lennox. And here's this angry Rheem up here. Here's one. Blank data sheet. This one's a Rheem flag logo. Here's a mini split, Mitsubishi. Oh, and it's running. 1 ton. Oh, jeez. I did not see that drop off. There's one. Another Rheem. 1994, 2-ton. 2.5 ton, I mean. And this one, it's got an angry scroll. $1994, tonnage is gone. It's working good though, just loud, very angry. That Lennox is running, I've already gotten that one. I just did actually. I'm just going through all these quickly because I'm gonna upload this as one big video. That day sheet was blank. Here's a Concorde. 2022, so that's just been replaced. I think it's been running. Another flag Rheem. Blank data sheet. Wonder what's up with that. Ooh, that loud Rheem just shut off, and then I just filmed those. I started there, I stopped there, so now I've just done the rest of these. Lennox, 2015. All right. So that was this place. So that was this second big group of buildings here. All right, now I'm gonna move on to the next ones. Okay, I'm back to film the last of this big complex for this video. So, ooh, this old Rheem's running, it sounds awesome. It's a Rheem Classic IX. That's got a Tecumseh reciprocating compressor. Okay, I'll start with this American Standard here. Allegiance 13, very faded. Not been running. $2011, 4-ton. 1990, 4-ton. Working really good, very cold and sweaty. The compressor's sweating in there too. Alright. And here's an older Lennox, also running. Very quiet, like super quiet, quieter than a lot of modern units. What in the world is that on the liquid line? Working really good. 1.5 ton from 1998. Yep, nice and cold and sweaty. Another Tecumseh. Another American Standard. This one is newly installed, I think. There's that Comfort Maker Sentry that I got running in the other video. Might remember that video I took of just units running back here on this strip. But now I'm filming the whole complex, as you know. 2020, 3.5 ton. And this comfort maker, the logo that's already peeling off. 2022, 3 ton. Not been running today. It's hotter today than it was in the other video. Then 2 old Rheem Classic IX. Down. That is an old Copeland. Reciprocating. $19.90. Same on this one. That's a 4 ton. Yep. Then here's a Rude. Little Rude. Running. Can't see what that used to say. Probably Achiever. Very cold and sweaty. No data. Another empty data sheet. That says upstairs. Yep, looks like it goes to an upstairs. An American Standard and a Rheem value. That one was running in my previous video that I took of just units running. Not been running. This one doesn't have a top. Interesting. Oh yeah, that's been running. That's an LG 2020 3 ton. Not been running today. 2010 5 ton. No, 3 ton. I like the fan blades. Alright. I'll be back to film those. Okay, just film those. Here's a very big carrier. $5 ton from 2013. Not been running. Lennox, Merit. Not been running. Then here's a Guardian. Very dirty. Putting off a heat load. It's got a Bristol. 2015, 2 ton. Cold but not sweaty. And then here are these old Rudes. Get a closer look at the data on these. Very rusty fan blades. These were both running last time I saw them. I don't have any other cameras on me, so I can't catch startups unless they start up right now. $19.89. 3 ton. This one. Oh, the data's gone on that one. I imagine it's also 1989. Fan blades are really rusty. They don't feel like they've been running today. Ouch, I just hit my head on that. Alright, Guardian down there is loud. Then here's an Ameristar. Rusty LG compressor. I don't know how to decode those things, so. Looks like a 3.5 ton. Serial number is completely gone. Okay. I'm so clumsy. Alright, now those. Okay, I'm gonna do this building real quickly because there's a security camera here, but there's a Rheem. Lennox. Very small Goodman. It's running. read the year later and the tonnage, but it's very small. Another old Rude. '89. Then an Amana. Okay. Now down to this building. Goodman and Nordine. Nordine's running. '14. No micro channel, so it's decent. Putting off the heat load. Here's another Nordine in Goodman. Goodman's running on this one. Another Nordine. '15 4-ton. Been running. Filter dryer. All right, now down there. Okay, I'm now down here. Here's a Rheem product. Oh, it's an actual Rheem. Never seen one with a tilted fan grill before. It's been running. 2013. Let's see. 13 AJN. Don't know how common that is. Lennox Merit. Not been running. Here's this Weather King that I got running last time. It was really nice sounding. Not running today though. Bristol. Ow, that's pokey. It's been running, I think. 2002. Yeah, it's been running. Here's a Rude and another Amana. Not been running. That's actually hot. 1996. 3.5 ton. Amana. I'm not gonna say the data on all of them because there's just so much units. Here's an ICP. Copeland Recip. 2005. 4-ton. I don't know what that red thing is. Yeah, been running. Okay, I guess I'll go down here. There's a sketchy looking van here, but don't think anybody's in it. That Dakin looks like it's about to fall off of its legs. Here's a mini split, 2-ton. Don't know what brand it is. It's been running though. It's a BDP, so it's a carrier. So it's from 2018. And this Dakin is running here. Look, it's like about to fall off. Here's a Bryant Preferred. Oh, it's also running. Didn't even hear it. That one's very quiet. Can't even hear it over that one. 2016 4-ton. American Standard Gold Series. Big compressor blanket. 2013 3-ton. Some of these units are heat pumps. Let me see if this is a heat pump. It is. Only a few of them back here are heat pumps. Then a Lennox and Rheem. $2020. And a Rheem. Panels falling off. 2016. Not been running. Alright, now down there. This Weather King turned on. Should have waited a little longer. See, very nice sounding. Alright. Okay. Got a Bryant and a train. Not been running. Not been running. Actually, this one may have been running. I like the blades on that train. 2009. Here's a Mitsubishi Hyperheat 2 Plus. Little mini split. And it is a heat pump. 1 ton. Very thin lines, not been running. Bright blue coil. American Standard Allegiance 12. These are cool. It's been running. Red Alliance scroll. Yeah. 2005 4-ton. And then here's these 3 Amanda heat pumps. I've gotten them running in heat mode before. Yeah, all 3 of these Amandas are heat pumps. Is that York Tombstone running? Gotta go down there. Dakin mini split. Fan blades are blowing. So here's the first Amanda heat pump. Here's the reversing valve. A lot of these are straight cools, but some of them are heat pumps. Oh, whatever it was just shut off. 2018 4-ton. There's the date on that one. 2018 4-ton. There's that one. 2018 4-ton. Reversing valve. Have an old video of one of these running in heat mode. Okay. Sounded like it probably wasn't, but sounded like something old was running. There's a York Tombstone here. I'm sure it's original. You know what? Oh my gosh, this was just running. Dang. Old faded York logo. This thing was just running. Coil is hot. This is cold. Yeah, this thing was just running. Man, I could have gotten that thing running. Yep. Here's a train. Blowing out some interesting smelling air. 2014, 3.5 ton. Holy crap, this York Tombstone was just running. Yeah, the thing is hot, and this is a little bit cold. Man. I might stick around by this a little bit just to see if it starts back up. Here's a big Rheem, classic. Disconnect is open. Here's a train. Someone cut the panels open on this instead of just taking that off, so these are all cut. I believe this one is a heat pump. Yep, that's a heat pump. Can't tell if it's been running. Very rusty. And an American Standard Gold Series 2013. It's probably a heat pump too, but not gonna stick around. And this one is like super quiet. Really quiet. It's another Gold Series, except this one's a straight cool. It's kind of cold. It's like so quiet. And then here's this Carrier Tech 2000 in Rheem that I got running before. It's a scroll. $2005 4-ton. Look at all those bugs all over it. Then a big Rheem. I think it's a straight coal. 2008 4-ton. Alright. Now down there. I'm down at this other building here. Here's these two Rheem Customs, vintage Rheem Customs. Here's two Carrier Comforts. Sounds nice. This one's been running too. And then here's these old Rheem Customs. This one, I believe one of these was running last time. I think it was that one. Not been running. Let's see. Oh wait, there's still a little bit of the data left. See if I can get anything off of it. Nope, everything's gone. Same with this one. Wait, this one's got a little bit too. Nope, model and serial are both gone. I imagine late 80s, because this is when this place was built. Yeah, these are nice units. Get a picture of them. And that Carrier's running too. And here's this brand new 2023 Goodman. This is my first 2023 unit. I filmed it running in my other video. Fan is still spinning really slow. It's still got that new unit smell. That's an interesting smell. Look, the phone's resolution is making the blades look like it's spinning. I mean, like it's not spinning. Very cold and sweaty. Yep, 2023, 2.5 ton. I think it's a straight coal. This replaced a Nordine that wasn't even 10 years old. Then here's one of these old round Arcoairs, the Snyder General or whatever. I think that might be a Copeland, correct me if I'm wrong. Data is gone. It's been running, I think. Yeah, this Goodman's fan is spinning really, really slow. So I think the capacitor might be already going bad. Then here is a one of the tan Goodmans. Copeland recip. Not been running. CKL 3-ton. 2004. And a Carrier base model. Nice Copeland scroll logo. 2008 2-ton. And then This other round ICP has got the old classic brick on the unit to silence it. That's pretty funny. It must have been making a racket, so they put a brick on it. Another one of those compressors. Let me see. Or no, that might be a Bristol. I'm trying to figure out what that says. I think that's a brand. Yeah, I think that's Bristol. I'm not sure. Data sheet is gone. Yeah, brick on it. That's funny. Take some pictures. And then I'm gonna drive down there. Okay, I gotta be quick here because there's security cameras. But oh, that just shut off. Here's a Heil. Oop. I don't know if I got the data. I probably have it somewhere else. And here's this old Intercity with a rotary. Here it is off this time. I think this is a first in the community because we didn't know that these had rotaries, but yeah. It's a 1-ton, 12,000 BTU from 1993, and it's been running. Here's a carrier which just shut off. And an old Rheem, 1991. And then here's a Goodman. There's a bird nest in it with eggs. Oh my gosh. Then there's a Comfort Air mini split up there that's running. And then I'll just do this one too. Down here there's some Lennox Elites. 2017 2.5 ton. These are still in like good condition. Whoops, I'm zoomed in. Yeah, here's a Lennox Elite. Not been running. Another one. Then 2 Merritts. 2012 5-ton. 2012 3-ton. Okay. And then these are the last ones on this big strip, and then there's just one building left, and then that'll be the whole complex. Carrier base models. Data's gone. Another one. 2007. And a Comfort. What kind of motor is that? Might be an ECM or something. It's like half green. And another base model that I didn't see at first. This one's in better condition. 2007. Alright, that is it for this strip here. Alright guys, the York Tombstone is back on. I can get this running. Here we go. Vintage York Tombstone running. Very rattly. Wow. It's actually sucking in the air and blowing it out this way. I didn't realize it would do that. And that is cold. There's what's left of the data sheet. Wow. Yeah, it's gone. Very hot air coming out. Alright. I was able to get this old York running. Alright. Alright. Okay, here's the last building on this huge complex. I've filmed these before in the part 1 video. Huge carrier performance. $5-ton from 2009. And then here's this Ameristar that's running. Very powerful fan. And I didn't even notice this last time, but there's a refrigeration component here just sitting up there. That's a semi-hermetic compressor. Interesting. It's just sitting up there, like no cover on it or anything. Okay, and then here's this Tappan that's fan was having problems last time. Appears to be working better this time. 2-ton from 2013. Oh man, it's frozen. Listen. In the compressor. Oh yeah, listen to the compressor. It's doing that thing. There's something wrong with this one. Yeah, and it's got microchannel. I bet the microchannel's leaking. Yeah, it's all frozen in there. Last time it was the fan. This time there's something wrong with the refrigeration system. And here's these 3 more. I bet it's the microchannel leaking. Not been running. I got a shutdown from that one last time. These all have microchannel. 5-ton from 2013. Yeah, that one's still having problems. You can hear the compressor. Well, now it just stopped. Yeah, it's still doing it. Yeah, there's something wrong with it. Alright, that was all the buildings at this huge complex. I'm sure this video is going to be really long, but hopefully you enjoyed and watched at least most of it. Hope you enjoy. Out.